Now, this exercise is been called, many different things, but essentially what the drinking bird is a single leg hip hinge, and here I have added a bit of weight too. So definitely play with this. I am using the wall as support here, and I have a dumbbell in the opposite hand of the leg which is being lifted. And all I'm doing here is on my exhale, I am just hip hinging forward and standing back up. So really great exercise to continue to work a number of muscles at the same time, including your abs and your pelvic floor should engage in this exercise. Enjoy.